me shake up the gravity. Man bust me dinner them yard and make them granny see.
What? Shake up your gravity. Bust them end of the yard and make them granny see. I said them man a band is different, you know. Guys, I have an artist from Guyana to introduce to you. Right now the artist is called Dappa Dan. Song called Under Pressure. Zessa. Yo, because so I go on the people. You see me I say, you big up Nervan, you see me I say, big up the whole of Guyana, big up Georgetown Guyana, you don't know chap, and big up the artist. Because so I go up, you want to check out this again, link to the song is going to be down below in the comment section, pinned and in the description of this video. Top link. Because so I go on. Run it.
Girl says she want a bad man.
What? Bad man, the girl them want?
Yo, Cass.
Is a Zessa thing? Hold on, pause. Is a Zessa thing in the pan? Is a Zessa thing? Is a Zessa thing? Go on.
Yeah, she want a bad man. Stop it, that represent.
DNA.
Girl says she want a zest.
Hey.
Says she want a zest. So me put you on the dresser, put the under the underbed.
The girl said they want a Zessa, so put her upon the dresser. If the what she want a Zessa. People, you know what I'm going to do?
Put it right there. She said put it right there. So my girl want a zest.
Go check out the song for yourself. Link to the original song is going to be down below in the description and in the comment section. Pinned. What's good YouTube? It's a boy Tyrekevlogs, aka in the hideout fit. I don't know that go. But anyways, we're here with TeeJay, Shellie, Christmas. We don't know what to expect, so I'll tell you guys right now. Smash up the like button. In my last song, in Popcorn, song called Dirt, featuring Massacre and Tamale, I was asking, where are the Christmas songs? Only back we wish them a Shellie Christmas, wish them a sha-la-la-la-la. Everybody there when this was the what? You see me? We need them song back. Alright, now we'll see TeeJay Dappa song. TeeJay Dappa song called Shellie Christmas. Official video. You know the power box is in full effect. You know so them singing heavily copyrighted and we need to post a video then. We're not taking no copyright around, we're not no black around here, so. We take the copyright and we're not to the black. But because we are going for the tune. Run tune. Wish.
Shellie.
Yeah.
Sha-la-la-la-la.
Okay.
Wish. Shellie.
Yeah.
Sha-la-la-la-la.
That's how they gonna go boss people. Wish. Shellie. Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la. Like the video. Sha-la-la-la-la-la. Now the la-la thing there. Go on.
Man be a war strategy. Make up matic and he shake up the gravity. Man bust me dinner them yard and make them granny see.
What? Shake up your gravity. Bust them end of the yard and make them granny see. I said them man a band is different, you know. Shake up your gravity, but guess what? Them granny I go see. Say the what? Go.
Beat up he jump out and have a meeting. Rifle clap and pop a rib. In a the clip where the bomber bring. I'm a sappy pin. Why they
Clap and it pop a rib. The rifle clap and it pop a rib. People, I don't know slay. I hearse a drive this Christmas. Look for the girl. Look there. I don't gift. A scully I get put on that tree this Christmas. Them tree have no Christmas light either. She will snow on it I get. Go on!
Chop them up like a bitch. Turn down son, Bob Danovich.
If he gun jam me shake him and take up. Wrap it up, he bust it and chop it up.
Man, don't say it and chop. I think of a Christmas song you get. I think of some Christmas song you get. But I want go on.
Swell up like fatty gut.
Maro jump out and jump in at the door.
What?
Close casket, them a fish shot, take casket up.
What?
Kill off all of your friend, them ready that chatting tough.
I am more than that chat tough. All the little skiggy friend them that chat tough. What the man does do? Blood the whole of them. I go fix a whole of them. But him close the casket. But him say can't test and him close casket. So I know him. He must say a dirt casket. Go
Go! Catch it on the wall, make it as a rat-a-tat-a-pow, so me knock it on my up, catch up on him belly. We wish you a Shellie Christmas.
Hey, Bumbo Clad, that verse they kick out bare teeth a while ago, TeeJay. What them know about you? What them know about you? That verse they don't kick out the whole of the teeth them want to kick out. Then you come tell him say wish them a Shellie Christmas. I can't argue with that. I cannot argue with that. I just can't argue with that. But guess what? The gun goes on. Yeah, that one bust the gun. The gun goes on. Boom.
Wish you a Shellie Christmas. Stop camp, wish you a Shellie Christmas. Get your body there. Me talk them wish.
Up top camp, wish them a Shellie Christmas. Yeah, man. I wish them a Shellie Christmas too. We wish them a Shellie Christmas. Wish them. That's the baddest Christmas song ever drop here, man. Nobody can tell me nothing as a blood clot. Sha-la-la-la-la. Everybody dead when this was. The worst it is not discussed. That's the baddest Christmas song ever drop here. Go on.
Wish you a Shellings Christmas. Wish you a Shellings. Boy, pass through the street square.
Ready for the second verse now? I'm ready for it. I want to have some like button, some fire emoji in the comment section right now if I'm ready for the second verse, you know. Because you have to ready for the second verse, you know. You can't just come listen to the second verse, so you have to ready for that one, yeah. So drop the like button, tap the like button right now, some fire emoji in the comment section right now. I'm going to use the TeeJay. Fuck up the second verse, you ready now? CJ, go on!
Rifle a play like Dean Fraser. Get them play E, not see me a chat. Me talk them wicked, we are real danger.
You hear them talking, so we are going right now, serious things are going on, you. Did buy this upgrade like level 45 now, no? You see me? Cause this song just reach level 45 for that now, no? Who are you some more? Go on!
Regular we kill boy on our then we smoke and go collect more. Mother if you have your casket more.
No, when I pass, I left for the part, then we smoke and go fuck some girl pum pum. If you left for the pum pum part, pum pum is life too, no? You understand me? If you left for the part there, I'd have to come next. But go on!
Family a cook right rice and chicken curry. We wish you a Shellie. Hooked up camp, wish you a
Team Santa Claus laugh diff. But me not like that verse kind of short still. Kind of short still, but it's still bad. Up Tom can wish them a Shellie.
Shellie Christmas. Yeah, me dog them wish you a Shellie. We're a bad man all the time, and all the Christmas.
That's I'm bad man all the time, people. I know only Christmas. Do you believe it or not? Remember that something there? Can you believe it? I go mix up and blend that. What I said they go on radio when they cut off. But the young still some. I can't remember the name, man. Hush. I don't know. Go on.
A chip gonna fire. Long time. I don't just know.
Go on.
Up top car. Real fast. Mobby aside.
I be a short out to go on, sir. If I be a short out to go on, sir, I can't go on, but Mrs. in that. Anything I say? You sang bad in that, but I want to go on.
St. James, I'm a village, I'm a compound.
We go for them place.
We wish you a Shellie. Wish you a Shellings.
So be there, so sit down and think say, I have more song for react to Bumbuckler, and big up whole Bumbuckler Jamaica. Big up whole of Jamaica, yeah, where is me? I say, it's been a boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss. Big up on yourself as usual. Thank you for supporting the boy. If you really do support me and you're from Jamaica, big up yourself. You see me I say, if you don't support me, you don't big up yourself same way. You're in the chat already. You see me I say. Alright. Let's see what I go on for something new right now. Clara, give something new. Give me something new.